Hello, this is the ceiling fan world, and what we have here is a Hampton based Southwind 6, and I got it from Goodwill since March 7th. We're going to demonstrate it. We'll start with the light. Normally I have the light on during the video, so if you don't mind having the light on, we'll do it. Let's demonstrate it. Start with the low speed. Looks pretty good, great with the light on. Do some zoom in. Now let's run it on medium. Alright, let's go for high. And that blows a lot of amount of air. Let's do it close. And so yeah, so let's turn it off. Alright, that's it for the video. Bye bye.